You're broke and you want to invest. Well, let's go. Hey, I'm Tammy and you're watching My Broke Life. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the Broke Fam. I want you to hit that like button and that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss none of my future videos. Here on My Broke Life, we like to talk about the best ways to invest, lifestyle tips, and even decorating tips for the girl that's balling on an incredibly short budget. Welcome to My Broke Life. Let's start the video. Last time on My Broke Life.
Wednesday, where I got that stimulus check. On Thursday, I got my car done with some much-needed repairs. Friday, I got the call that I lost my job. After that, I made a list, sold some things, made some calls, and got some bills lowered. And 2 videos.
First is investing. Investing doesn't have to be in stocks and bonds and mutual funds and ETFs and a whole lot of jargon of words. Number one in investing is investing in yourself. What do you want to learn? What do you want to do? Do you want to start a business? Do you want to start on YouTube? Do you want to start a child care? What do you want to start? Because that's where you're going to start. There are so many great books. And you can start by buying some of those books, reading some of those books, and even looking them up online.
Take a look, it's in a book, a reading rainbow.
YouTube, matter of fact, has dozens of videos and book references and book reviews that will help you learn everything you need on whatever category you want to learn in. So that's how you start investing in yourself. You can start that today. Number 2. Let's say you just recently lost your job. Aren't you the lucky one? Now you have so much time to actually find something you might love to do. Right? That job was getting on your nerves anyways, right? Them bosses was always telling you what to do. You had no freedom.
I got my babysitter.
Look, if you don't like working for Luther's janitorial, why don't you just take your broke home? Otherwise, shut the up and get back to work.
And you were always broke. Well, now you're broke. But you have a chance to find your own mission. So let's turn unemployment into full enjoyment. Let's spend the days reflecting on what it is you like to do. Okay? So let's go back. Let's look into the past. What did you want to be? Right? Let's start with what you wanted to be. Now let's say, Tammy, I always wanted to be a doctor, but I'm not going back to school to be a doctor. I ain't got the money for them type of classes. That's okay. That is okay. It doesn't mean you can't pursue other medical training and classes that are available. There's lots of lower level medical training that you could look into. Bryman, Everest, medical assistant, dental hygienist. There are low-level educational programs that you can look into. So don't be scared to search for those educational programs.
And your life is passing you by. You keep procrastinating over and over. Well, maybe I'll go to school next year, maybe next semester. No, do it right now.
Number 3, turning your broke into a business. Are you good at sales? Have you always been good at sales? Or are you just a people person? There are dozens of sales, jobs, careers, and businesses that you can start. You can start by selling things in your very own home.
Why don't you let me fix you some of this new Mococo drink? All natural cocoa beans from the upper slopes of Mountain Nicaragua, no artificial sweeteners.
What the hell are you talking about? Who are you talking to?
I've tasted other cocos. This is the best.
That's what I did. And then there's so many large companies that offer independent consulting and sales careers for you, where you're independently buying products and selling products. Now, I'm going to have 3 videos linked down in the description that'll help you with starting 3 different kinds of businesses. Some of the most famous ones you've probably heard of are things like Shopify, Amazon affiliates, and Uber. These things do not require a lot of knowledge. These things give you a level of independence you may have never had before. So I say give them a try, if that's your thing. Number 4. Tammy, you saying Zizo? I want to start my own business. I don't want to do Uber. I don't want to drive around delivering nobody's food. I got you. I feel you and I understand you. I didn't want to do any of those things either. So it took me a little while to figure out what it is I wanted to do, what it is I like to do. With me, I happen to like doing makeup. Absolutely love makeup, okay? I love putting it on. I used to sell it and I love selling it. So I found me a company. They provided me with the opportunity to be a single independent beauty consultant. I buy the product. I sell the product on my terms. It's my business. Never thought I could own a business. And now I just found out I could. The power of being broke. And that's why we're my broke fam. Because we're going to turn broke into bucks. We're going to turn broke into baller. We're going to turn broke into business. Because we are the business. Am I right? Am I alone here? If I'm alone here, I want you to say down in the comments, just write, you're alone. But if I'm not alone here, I want you to go full Michael Jackson with me and say, you are not alone. I am here with you. And show me that I'm not alone here. Because this is our opportunity to completely rewrite our lives. Completely rewrite our lives. I like a quote by Robert Kiyosaki. And if you're not aware of Robert Kiyosaki, he preaches about being a business owner, owning your own business. And he wrote an excellent book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. It's actually available for free here on YouTube, and it's going to be linked below if you want to read it or listen to it. In this book, he states his poor dad, which is his dad who was a slave to being an employee, would think totally different from his rich dad, who would always be looking for the next way to create his own business, create his own income, and have complete independence. Now, Robert stated his rich dad would state, poor is forever, but broke is temporary. So that means this is a temporary state we're going through. Temporary state. This is our opportunity to change the way we think, grow as people, grow as a nation, grow as business owners. If you never thought you could be a business owner before, there's no better time to try. And here on My Broke Life, I'm going to be releasing videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We're going to figure out how to get these businesses popping. Okay? We're going to turn broke into business. So I want you to make sure you stay tuned, and I want you to make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell button. And don't forget, if you want to talk, reach out to me. I'm available and I'm unemployed. So hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, or my direct line linked in the description. I want to hear from you. I want to know you. And I want to turn our broke into business. If I never knew you, if you never saw my page, if my channel was erased, how saddened I would be. And I'm so grateful to you. I'd have lived my whole life through. 1 subscriber's all, 1 survivor's whole, lost forever if I never knew you. There are definitely people in your lives who have changed you forever. Make them proud. Make yourself proud. I'm grateful to everyone that's helped me. And I'm eager to help you here at My Broke Life. Thanks for watching.